Hi everyone, and now I'm going to do my introduction, personal introduction. First of all, I want to say that my name is Javier Caicedo. I am 45 years old. I live in Buenaventura City, and my telephone number is 31488 I am currently studying sixth semester in degree and English as a foreign language. My email is caicedojavier486@gmail.com. According to the proposed question, I will say that English used to be a privilege for the people, but it's become necessary for everyone. Therefore, my expectation for this course are continuing the development of skills in reading, writing, listening, and speaking English. Second, a huge desire to continue doing my life project as a graduate in English as a foreign language. In fact, in the process of acquisition as a second language, there are some questions that are very important for learning to have place a relationship with motivation. The approach portion does not exist in the concept of second, an attitude that shows desire and encouragement to learning. The other variable and personality and exactly that direct influence in acquisition process. With all has been said, it remains to express the fervent desire to contribute to changing society from the field of pedagogy. Well, answer a question. I'm going to answer a question right now. I'm going to try to explain after the investigation and the agreement with a discretion on the course teaching English for a specific purpose. My personal objective in this to obtain explanation that includes the planning program process and theories at the course beside the approaches based on task, since a low activity oriented to objective and focus of meaning. The main objective of this course is show the particular characteristic of acquisition and learning of English for a specific purpose as the first and second language. The method that should be used in those that is role as teacher. The process learning language must be flexible because education is constant and every day offer us infinite alternatives that we can take or reject depending on our needs. How can we help each other? Therefore, the topic that most caught my attention was that ESP is designed to meet the specific need to a student. Focus on language, grammar, lexical, and register. A skill discourse and appropriate genre from the activity. The reason for this is because by analyzing and needs and the analyzing our gender, I should acknowledge our ESP research are rising in the constant in the use of English. As teaching, it is our duty to provide tools that not only facilitate learning but also encourage or simulate the students' interest in learning. A student pay more attention when something interesting them or motivate them. When the student feel comfortable, confident, and trapped by a particular topic, learning and understanding are much more effective and faster. So we must make sure that information we are going to deliver is not systematic or complex and heavy. We must try to deliver on-the-table contribution, in another word, simple word, and meaning information. Well, I want to say that some people more receptive visual information, and other to audience, and other more inclined to the type of content that we can be touched and put in practice. Anyway, we all have different needs and preferences, as well as the knowledge imparting and teaching must decipher this type of need through tools that allow them to glimpse the type of process that facilitate apprehension on the part of the student. Therefore, the most necessary method in Colombia will say is the ESP. ESP is already designed for intermediate and advanced students. As a teacher, they work with characteristics of this course such as designed to meet the need of the student, relay concept and topic to discipline, in particular occupation and activities, focus on language purpose to the need. Okay, that is all for today, and thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Bye.